Okay, let's move to the question number 2. Sketch on the same diagram the graph of y is equal to 3 absolute value of 3x minus 4 and y is equal to 7 minus 10x. First we find the values of y is equal to absolute value of 3x minus 4. Y is equal to absolute value of 3x minus 4. Find the x-intercept. So we will plug y is equal to 0, which is equal to absolute value of 3x minus 4, and this one is equal to the 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 over 3, which is equal to 1.333. Now we find y-intercept. So we will plug x equal to 0. So we will have y is equal to absolute value of 3 times x means 3 times 0 minus 4, which is equal to absolute value of 0 minus 4, which is equal to 4. So in this case, we will have the point x coordinate which is 4 over 3 and y coordinate is 0. And in this case, we will have the point which is x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 4. Now, we find x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, we will have y is equals to the absolute value of 3x means 3 times 2 minus 4, which is equal to absolute value of 6 minus 4, which is equals to the 2. So in this case, we will have the point x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 2. Now we take x is equals to 1. So we will have y is equals to absolute value of 3 times x means 3 times 1 minus 4, and this one is equals to 3 minus 4 in absolute value. So which one is equals to negative 1, absolute value of negative 1, which is equals to 1. So in this case, we will have the point 1 and 1. Okay, let's plot it. Okay, we have the point 4 over 3, 0. 4 over 3 is here and y coordinate is 0. This is the point. Second point is 4, 0, 4. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 4. This one. Similarly, we have another point when x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is also 2. So 2 and this one is 2. Similarly, when we have x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is also the 1. Okay, plotting. Okay, joining these point also. So this is the graph of y is equal to absolute value of 3x minus 1. Now we plot the graph y is equal to 7 minus 10x. Y is equal to 7 minus 10x when x is equal to 0. When x coordinate is 0, so y will be equal to 7 minus 10 times 0 means 7. So the point in this case is 0 and 7. Similarly, when y is equal to 0, we will have 0 is equal to 7 minus 10x, which is equal to x is equal to 7 over 10. So in this case, point will be 7 over 10 and 0. Okay, plotting 7 over 10, 0 will be which has the y coordinate 0 and x coordinate will be lie here. This is the point, and 0, 7 will be here. This one is 6 and this one is 7. So this point will be 0, 7 will be here. Okay, joining these 2 points. So this black line represents the y is equal to 7 minus 10x. Part B. Solve the equation absolute value of 3x minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 10x. From the graph, we can see that the solution will be the intersecting point of these two graphs. So this one will be the solution. We will solve given equation. First we take the case 1, in which we will consider that 3x minus 4 is greater than and equal to 0. So this equation can be written as 3x minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 10x. Further solving, we will have 3x plus 10x is equal to 7 plus 4. And this one is equal to 13x is equal to 11, and in this case x is equal to 11 over 13. Now case 2, in which we will consider the absolute value 3x minus 4 is less than 0. So its mean negative time 3x minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 10x. So further solving, we will have negative 3x plus 4 is equal to 7 minus 10x. Solving further, we will have 10x minus 3x is equals to the 7 minus 4, which is equals to the 7x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 3 over 7. From figure you can see that the x coordinate of the solution should be less than 4 by 3, or you can say that it should be less than 1. So both values x is equals to 3 over 7 and 11 over 13, both are less than 4 over 3. So which one is the valid solution? To find the valid solution, you know that when we consider 3x minus 4 greater than 0, the solution was 11 over 13. 3x minus 4 greater than and equal to 0 when x is equal to 11 over 13. So plugging x is equal to 11 over 13 in this equation, we will have 3 times 11 over 13 minus 4, and this one is equals to the 33 minus 4 times 13, which should be greater than and equal to 0, over 13 greater than and equal to 13. So you can see that 33 minus 242 over 13 greater than and equal to 0. You can say that this one is negative and cannot be greater than 0. Negative value cannot be greater than 0. So we can say that x is equals to 11 over 13 is invalid. On the other side, the second solution 3 over 7 should satisfy this equation, which is 3x minus 4 less than 0. So 3x minus 4 less than 0, and in this case x is 3 over 7. So plugging, we will have 3 times x means 3 times 3 over 7 minus 4 less than 0, or you can say that 9 over 7 minus 4 less than 0, or you can say that 9 minus 28 over 7 less than 0. This one is negative and should be less than 0. So this condition satisfies, so we can say that this one is valid and this solution is invalid. Part C. Hence solve the equation absolute value of 3 to the power of 2t plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 10 times 3 to the power of 2t. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. When we compare this equation with the equation of part B, which is 3x minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 10x. So you can see that 3 to the power of 2t plus 1 can be written as 3 times 3 to the power of 2t minus 4 in absolute value is equal to 7 minus 10 times 3 to the power of 2. So by comparing these two equations, we can say that x is equal to 3 to the power of 2t. And we just calculate the value of x by solving part B, that x is equal to 3 over 7. So this one is equal to 3 over 7. So we can say that 3 to the power of 2t is equal to 3 over 7, taking ln both sides. So we will have 2t ln of 3 is equals to ln of 3 over 7, which is also equals to ln of 3 over 7 is equals to the 0.4285. Okay, further solving we will have 2t ln 3, which is equals to 1.0986, which is equals to ln of 0.4285. So t is equals to ln of 0.4285 is equals to the negative 0.84729 over 2 times 1.0986, and this one is t is equals to 0.3855 negative. We need to find the value of t in three significant figures, so we will take t is equals to negative 0.386. So this one is the solution of the part C which was required. Let's move to the question number 3.